Okay, we're looking at quotients again, with differentiation. So let's look at a couple of examples and just go through them pretty slowly. The first one being f of x equals x cubed minus 4x plus 5 over x squared, and we want to differentiate the thing. Well, the first thing I need to do is split the thing into 3 terms. So it's going to be x cubed over x squared minus 4x over x squared plus 5 over x squared. I'm going to be using the rule of indices, which tells me that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. So when you divide, you subtract the powers. Okay, so 3 take away 2 is 1. So f of x is equal to x to the 1. That's just x. What number's up there, even though you can't see it, is 1. So it's 1 take away 2. That's going to be minus 4x to the minus 1. And then I can bring this one up, and that will be 5x to the minus 2. And now in a position to differentiate. Differentiate x, it becomes 1. Bring the power down, multiply, take 1 away from the power. Minus 1 times minus 4 is plus 4. Take 1 away from the power, x to the minus 2. And that will be minus 10x to the minus 3. Okay, example 2. G of x equals 1 minus 5x squared over x root x. Okay, so what's x root x? Well, that's x times x to the half. So that's rule 1 of indices. When I multiply, add the powers. With numbers here, even though you can't see it, well, the number is definitely 1. So I'm going to add the powers. So it's a pizza plus half a pizza is 3 halves. Okay, so that's that bit done. So it's 1 minus 5x squared over x to the 3 halves. I can now split the thing into 2 terms. So it's going to be 1 over x to the 3 over 2 minus 5x squared over x to the 3 over 2. Okay, so I'm going to bring that up and change its power, so that will be x to the minus 3 over 2. And then use my second rule indices, so it's going to be 2 pizzas take away 3 halves. 2 pizzas is 4 half slices, so 4 halves take away 3 halves is 1 half, x to the 1 half. I'm now in a position to differentiate, bring the power down, multiply, take 1 away from the power, so it's going to be minus 3 over 2x to the minus 3 over 2, take away 1, it's going to be minus 5 over 2. And bring that half down, multiply, that's going to be minus half x to the half, take away 1, that's going to be minus 1 half. Okay, so here's 4 to try. And I'm going to put up a second video briefly, which will be on applications of derivatives part 1.